Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to create the viral AI Kung Fu fight animation using just your pictures. This trend has been blowing up on TikTok, with many users gaining massive views simply by transforming their images into epic fight scenes. If you want to jump on this trend and potentially go viral, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's dive in. First things first, you need a picture. You can use a solo image or a group photo featuring 2 or more people. Once you've chosen the image, open your browser. I'll be using Chrome for this tutorial. In the search bar, type in Halo AI Video and hit enter. This website allows you to generate AI-powered videos effortlessly. Once you're on the site, sign in using your Google account. After logging in, browse through the templates until you find the trending AI Kung Fu fight template. It might take a little scrolling, but you're looking for one called Minimax Halo AI. It has a battle-like animation style, which is perfect for this effect. Click on it and select Recreate to begin. Next, go to the 12V option on the left-hand side and upload the image you want to use. Click on the plus icon, select your picture from your gallery, and upload it. Now, it's time to add AI prompts to customize the fight animation. Erase the default text and replace it with action-based prompts like Kung Fu Battle, Flying Kick, Power Punch, Spinning Kick, and Combat Mode. You can experiment with different words to get the best results. I'll list some suggested prompts in the video description for reference. Once your prompts are set, tap the purple button labeled 30 at the bottom right to generate your video. The system will process the animation, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. You can monitor the progress under Create History, and once it reaches 100%, your AI fight video will be ready. To download your video, just tap the download icon, and it will be saved to your phone's gallery. Now, to maximize engagement on TikTok, pair your video with a trending Kung Fu fight sound before posting. Many creators have used this technique to gain thousands of views, and now you have the chance to do the same. And that's it. Now you know how to create the viral AI Kung Fu fight video in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.